Tem uma foto minha no caixão.
Please.
Você tá falando isso aí no sentido figurado, né?
A foto no caixão também, aqui?
Não.
Dois. Tem a montanha russazinha e o simulador lá do Frankenstein. Eu vi, ele andava dentro. A tiazinha morreu no Epcot.
Tá no caminho, no caixão. É verdade, né? Ela...
Lugar mais mágico. Se fosse um beijinho muito bom.
Olha isso. O cara tá tocando a marcha fúnebre. Ó, tá 10 minutos do Frankenstein. Então vamos nele.
E essa montanha russa, vai que depois chove e aí não dá pra
Essa, tem que ver quanto que tá. Tá 1 hora essa.
Querem lá ou aqui que tá 10 minutos?
Vamos nessa. Nessa aqui. Tá 10, depois nós sai dessa e vem pra essa. Acho que é o simulador, ó. Nossa, o ar-condicionado vem daqui, ó. Medo que ele. Olha um sorriso aí. Tá sorrindo.
All the way forward, filling all available space.
I sense fear in your hearts. All right, to be afraid. Darkness lies ahead. Now is the time to abandon all.
I am Igor. My job is to get you through this experiment in one piece. But Igor, I hear you say, where's the fun in that? I agree, you delightful freak. Sadly, this is not that kind of experiment. Look closely. This is a catacombs navigation unit. All your little lab rats and your little lab rat friends get to ride one. Use it, Igor steals, nothing goes wrong. Yes? Don't forget that. This is just the emergency feature function. According to plan. Yes, Doctor. The doctor will see you now. This is fun, yes?
Now, these people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing, better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Calm yourself! That wasn't us.
Silence, creature. I will destroy you when
These two just don't get along. The Dracula experiment is the last piece of the puzzle. And with your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors! Our greatest victory is just through there. Quickly, this will change your life. I'm telling